Yo, what you doing? I'm trying to working on our latest sign that is made of acrylic. Take a look at this one. This sign looks like a neon sign, but it's actually made of acrylic. Come closer. In the surface, it has got a curved effect, which is made of solid acrylic. And in the back, it's got a wall mount installation. With these are stainless steel with white paint. Take a look at these drill holes. It's for outdoor using, and inside it has equipped it with LED waterproof module. Signs like these, we provide UL certification, minimum 3 years warranty, and the turnover time is 7 days of manufacturing and 7 days of shipping to the United States, North America, Europe, Australia. And you know what is even better? The sign comes with a very, very profitable price, even include the shipping fee to our North America distributors. So let us know, what kind of sign do you need? What kind of business do you have for acrylic faux neon sign like these? Let me know in the comments, or click the link in our bio to get a free quote, free design, free category for all the signs we can make here. I'll see you next time.